With Sanjeev Kapoor recipes powered by Club Chef. What would you like to prepare today?
Something with chicken?
Cool. I have picked the top 3 chicken recipes for you. Chicken dal pakode, chicken burger, and chicken shorba. Would you like to pick one from these?
No.
Okay, here are 3 more. Chicken stew, chicken biryani, and tandoori chicken. Would you like one of these?
Second one?
How about a summary of chicken biryani provided by Chef Sanjeev Kapoor? Or would you like to start cooking?
Give me the summary.
Chunks of chicken, flavorful spices and long grain basmati rice layered in a handi, sealed and cooked to perfection. This recipe serves 4 people. The ingredients are 600 grams of boneless chicken, 1½ cups of basmati rice, 1 inch of stick cinnamon, 5 medium onions, 3 green chilies, 2 medium tomatoes, 3/4 teaspoon of ginger paste, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic paste, 1 cup of thick yogurt, 1 inch piece of ginger, fresh mint leaves, fresh coriander leaves, and a few drops of rose water. Shall we start cooking?
No.
No problem. Do you want to try any other recipe?
No.
Okay, let's cook something up soon.